If you've ever carried a quiet ache from your past, or felt small, unseen, or unheard, you've come to the right place. I'm Rhea Rivers, your guide for this journey to meet and nurture your inner child. By the end, you will feel seen, held by your own presence, and ready to welcome the child within you with gentle compassion. Take a slow breath in. Feel your chest expand gently, and let the breath melt softly out. Again, inhale slowly and release with ease. As your breath settles, imagine a soft woodland path forming beneath your feet. The earth is warm. The breeze carries a faint sweetness. Each step lightens something inside you. Breathe in, letting the forest hold you. And exhale, feeling your body soften. Up ahead, wrapped in golden light, sits a small wooden cottage, quiet, still. You walk toward it with gentle, grounded steps. Inhale. Exhale. When you reach the door, it opens with a soft, familiar creak. Inside, warm amber light glows like a heartbeat. In the far corner sits a small figure. Knees tucked close, gaze lowered to the floor. It's you, a younger version of you, still carrying echoes of moments they never felt ready for. You walk closer, kneel beside them, and breathe in softly, letting your exhale land gently between you. Their eyes lift toward yours, full of innocence and unspoken longing. Here, with your breath steady and your presence warm, you offer the words they always needed. I was never weak. I was a child doing my best in a world I was still learning to understand. My strength began long before anyone noticed. Inhale deeply. Exhale softly. Repeat in your mind, my tenderness is not a flaw. It is the living proof that I never lost the ability to love, even when life made it difficult. Breathe in fully. Exhale slowly. Repeat in your mind, I deserve gentleness, not because I earned it, but because being human has always been enough. The child shifts slightly, shoulders relaxing, as if those words loosen a weight they carried alone for far too long. A warm glow expands in the cottage, bathing both of you in a soft golden hush. Repeat in your mind, I am safe to grow beyond what hurt me. I am safe to become someone who thrives, not merely survives. A deeper breath enters your body and leaves as a gentle sigh. Repeat in your mind, I am no longer abandoned inside myself. My inner child is seen, heard, and finally honored. Outside the window, soft starlight begins to shimmer, as if the entire forest acknowledges your healing. Breathe in, breathe out. The child looks brighter now, the sadness loosening, their small hands warmer in yours. Repeat in your mind, I am allowed to grow gently. I am allowed to rest. I am allowed to become someone who no longer holds their pain alone. The cottage light begins to soften, edges glowing, air growing lighter, as if a deeper dream layer is beginning to open before you. A space where you and your inner child step forward together, weightless, supported, and free. Take a slow, full breath in and exhale completely. Feeling the healing settle gently into your body and heart. The air around you grows even softer, the golden glow expanding until it feels like a gentle sunrise inside the cottage. Your younger self stands slowly, still small, still tender, but no longer afraid. A doorway of light appears along the far wall, a soft, shimmering archway, like an invitation into a new chapter of your healing. Hand in hand, you step toward it. The wooden floor warm beneath your feet. Your heart beats steady and strong. As you reach the doorway, your inner child pauses, gazing up at you with a trust you've longed to feel your entire life. You speak to them, not with words, but with presence, with breath, with love. Breathe in. Exhale slowly. Repeat in your mind, I see you, shining through all the shadows you've endured. Your courage has carried you farther than you know, and it carries me now. Inhale fully. Exhale softly. Together you step through the archway, and the world shifts into a soft, glowing meadow. Endless fields of tall, swaying grass. Fireflies drifting like tiny stars at eye level. A sky painted in early morning gold. A gentle wind wraps around you both, carrying the quiet wisdom of the earth. Breathe in, exhale fully. Repeat in your mind, every tear I shed was a river carving strength into my soul. Every moment I feared was a seed of courage. I am the living proof of my own resilience. You notice a small hill ahead, crowned with a single ancient tree, its branches stretching like open arms. You and your inner child walk toward it, each step grounding you deeper into your body, your truth, your wholeness. At the base of the tree lies a smooth stone, glowing faintly as if waiting just for you. You kneel beside it, placing your hand gently on its surface. Breathe in, exhale slowly. Warmth radiates through your palm, like acknowledgement, like forgiveness, like a promise kept. Repeat in your mind, I honor every part of my story, even the chapters I wished were different. I embrace myself with tenderness, courage, and limitless compassion. Inhale fully. Exhale completely. The stone brightens, sending a soft wave of light through the meadow, a reminder that growth blossoms from love, not force. Your inner child places their small hand beside yours, and the light envelops you both, weaving your past and present into one whole radiant self. Breathe in, exhale slowly. Repeat in your mind, I am the sanctuary my younger self needed. I am the unwavering presence that heals. I am whole. I am safe. I am love itself. A deep breath rises in your chest and releases as a calm, grounding exhale. Your inner child steps closer, resting their forehead against your shoulder. Not in sadness, but in gratitude. Breathe in, exhale fully. The meadow quiets, as if honoring this moment. Repeat in your mind, I carry the wisdom of my journey, the strength of my heart, and the light of my inner child. I am capable of infinite love and transformation. As the affirmations settle, you feel the child softly dissolve into light, not leaving you, but returning home inside you, where they were always meant to be held. You place a hand over your heart, feeling warmth bloom from the inside out. Breathe in. Exhale slowly, letting the meadow, the tree, the quiet love you've created echo gently through every part of you. Subscribe and join the R&R Story Meditation community for more immersive, restorative meditations.